All right, good afternoon and welcome to our draft. This is our 2017 Field of Dreams Invitational Football Draft. And we're going to get right to it because we have more teams in this year. We have 32 teams. 32 players, right? 32 teams.
16 teams.
16 teams, 32 players. And our first, our champions will not be, of course, there are champions again this year. They'll be playing again. Congratulations to Paolo and Cookie. They will be, trying to defend their championship again. Our first name out of the draft is Craigie. And they're great to have Craigie back. That's awesome. It's awesome. Good job. Glad to see he's doing really well. We're going to go 1 through 15, and 16 you paired up with 15, and so on. Augie is number 2. Want to make sure that we only can send so much of a length of a video, so we're going to speed this up. A couple of new players. Shane Wiggins, congratulations on your being in the Invitational. Zach, another newcomer to our league. Connor, again, all of our things are in here. Trophy. Shane. Boyle. Steve Herb. Danny Wiseman. Let me get stuck together. Gibbs. When I know I get to 15, Mrs. Kamish.
Okay.
Stofier. Justin. Bender. Where we at?
13.
2 more. This is a star with CC. This is the Commissioner's Choice. I will name this player later. To be named later. And Rick is our top 15, our first 15 chosen, I should say. Okay, now coming up next, out of the gate, is Ryan Martin. Is that Rick?
Rick.
TJ with Commissioner's Choice. Dispo with Bender. Tyler Menudo with Justin. Kyle with Stofier. Nick with Gibbs. Danny with Danny. Kevin with Steve Herb. They were part of a team that won our Wiffleball championship in the summer. Yeah, knockout, which will be again this year, July 22nd. Our second annual knockout CF Wiffleball tournament. Here we go. We have Steve Menudo with Boyle. Tommy and Shane. Getting it running out of tickets here. We got Dib and Connor. Dibs. Rowdy and Zach. Tommy Sparacino and Wiggins. Augie's partner will be Kurtz. And Herb and Craigie. Little Herb and Craigie. There you go. There's our teams for this year. All right. You get it? You got it? We will see you on the field. Field of Dreams. Field will be open soon for practicing. Thank you.